getting so long.
Yeah. We've known you for a while now.
Yeah.
Dr. Andrew actually mentioned that today
Yeah?
too, yeah.
Yeah. Aren't you glad you started to go see her?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. I think everything has helped.
Alright, measurement 38. That's really good.
My mom just started seeing her today too.
Where are you getting your kicks?
Here on top and on the over here. During labor, do babies move a lot or not?
Yes.
Okay.
Alright, baby. Nice. It's a head right there.
She's good.
You rolled away from me, baby. Well, she's excited.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, I feel her.
Oh my god.
And she's gone again. Oh my goodness. Wait till you see this video.
I'm trying to hold my hand because I feel her kicking.
She sounds really good. Yeah. The whole belly was going.
Yeah.
It's an
They
active
don't like
baby.
what is it called? The
Doppler.
Doppler.
It's an active baby, my friend.
It's funny, before that I didn't feel her now. And I was like, I wanted to feel her and now.
So you could keep on checking it. Never really knew that she could dance like this. She make a man wanna speak Spanish. Como se llama? Bonita. Picasa. Shakira, Shakira.
Oh, baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad. So be wise and keep on reading the signs of my body. I'm on tonight, you know my hips don't lie, and I'm starting to feel you, boy. Come on, let's go real slow. Don't you see, baby, I see it's perfect. Babe, I know I'm on tonight. My hips